Welcome to part 2 of the Overlayr tutorial. We cropped the image in the last video, and now we're jumping into the georeferencing part. Let's go! Now we'll import the image we saved earlier. Tap Import New Image, and choose the file you want to georeference. The app enters split screen mode here. The left side shows the image we want to georeference, and the right side displays the map we'll align it to. For accurate georeferencing, the first 3 points are crucial and must be known precisely. So begin by selecting well-identified, reliable points. You can use the search button to find the location or enter coordinates to jump directly to it. Once you reach the area to be georeferenced, select point 1 on the image, then tap the matching ground point on the map and press the green Confirm Point button. The point will be placed and labeled as 1. Similarly, mark points 2 and 3 to create the initial overlay on the map. Don't worry about perfect accuracy yet. We can fine-tune the points later. After placing the second point, the image auto-rotates into the correct orientation so it becomes easier to find the next point. Once you place at least 3 points, a basic overlay is generated on the map. This gives you an initial visual alignment of the layout. You'll also notice that the image and map views are now synchronized. As you move one, the other moves with it, helping reduce effort and improve alignment. Add additional points to refine and sharpen the alignment. Once you place the 4th point, the map usually fits with about 95% accuracy. Use the opacity slider, the red one, to fade the image and clearly view the map below so you can mark the ground point accurately. No need to stress about exact placement yet. You can move the points anytime, and the overlay will update instantly in real time. You may notice a small misalignment here. After placing the point on both the image and the map, you can adjust it any time. Tap to move or long press to drag. The overlay updates instantly in real time, making it easy to get a perfect fit. Now we're placing the 6th point and fine-tuning it for higher accuracy. You'll notice the map bends smoothly, like a sheet around the control points to fix misalignments. As a tip, the farther apart your control points are, the smaller the error becomes. When the overlay looks good, tap the blue View Overlaid Map button. You can save your project here and continue fine-tuning everything in one unified overlaid view. Hit the Save button, give your project a name, and choose a folder if you'd like to keep things neatly organized. In this example, we're naming the project Layout and saving it in the folder named Layout Test. Whenever the crosshair is on a layer, the project name appears underneath it. This is especially useful when working with multiple images or large projects split into sections. In this view, all changes are saved automatically. You can place points and move them to align the map in real time. Now, let's place point 7 and adjust it for a better fit, and that looks perfect. Move the point to its matching ground location. A magnifier view is displayed to help you see the map more clearly, and that looks perfect now. You can use the Export button to save the file in KMZ format or as point data, allowing you to continue the workflow in other georeferencing applications. In this example, we're opening the KMZ file in Google Earth, making it easy to share and use directly on site. On the main screen, just tap the project name and recents to open it again and continue working if needed. You can open your saved projects from the Recent Projects screen or tap View All to browse everything you've saved. That's all for now. In the next session, we'll cover multi-layer georeferencing. Thank you for your patience.